see who the real shooter is today.
You're a rich girl and you're gone too far, cause you know it don't matter anyway. You can rely on the old man's money. You can rely on the old man's money. It's a bitch girl, but it's gone too far, cause you know it don't matter anyway. Say money, money won't get you too far, get you too far.
Morning, Bradley.
Morning, Corey.
Sun's out.
Yeah.
You guys ready?
This is a whole new day.
Let's fucking do this.
Second annual KWC Camp Day. We're gonna start the morning off with a meeting. Boring! And then we're gonna go up to the camp, shoot some guns, drink some beer, have an excavator competition, and smoke some meat. It's kind of a perfect day. Happy Friday.
You have like music in the background.
I was gonna put on Pussycat Dolls, but don't you miss your good.
The force of groundwater, dude. That is the first time in my 20 years of doing septics that I've seen one of our tanks.
Now trigger in their fucking hand.
Uh-oh, someone fucked up.
What?
You motherfucker! Hey, sitting there not saying anything. It's like, oh fuck.
Oh, Alex, you fucked up, bro.
Got a picture of you. Yeah, that's a gun I'm gonna kill you with. HR, yeah, I am HR. Yeah. You know, it's camaraderie around here. We're just getting ready for camp day. Yeah. As you can tell, this is my cousin. We're family. Ken White is his dad, but like junior. Family, baby.
It bubbled and it sealed. But this is funny. This is just plastic on the $100,000 truck that you drive. It's just a plastic gas cap. So Mike's fixing that.
Hey, I got a surprise for you.
Oh boy.
I think we're all gonna tour out in the next 10 minutes. Okay. And he's gonna lead. Leaking oil bad. We gotta go. Yeah, bad. Yeah.
Enough to fill her up and get her where she's gotta go. She ain't messed my season up. I had her back up under my bed. Go on and pawn it, cause what's one less 30-06 to a redneck?
Zach was filming last year. Big upgrades, bud. Out back cooking with Taylor, and we got the green egg on here today. Brought her up to 650. We're gonna bring her down and we're gonna smoke this brisket real nice. We're gonna put some seasoning on it and we're gonna cook it up.
Taylor got himself a new GoPro.
Yeah, I got myself a new GoPro. So if you've been with us since the very start, then you will know that I started filming on a GoPro set up much like this, but back in the days where they didn't have media kits and I had this big long system on a big rod. And anyways, I wanted to get back to my roots. Wooby was like, hey, it'd be a good idea if you got yourself a GoPro, and that way you can kind of film some stuff from your own perspective. I love doing it because it gives you guys a different perspective, and it makes me feel like when I first started YouTube. So I got a GoPro.
Here, get on.
Well, they fucking...
What?
Buck in the back, she's on the porch with bags back. She's had enough, she's over me, spending too much time in a pine tree.
Oh, fuck. Are you in four-wheel? Yeah.
He thought it would kill me, but what's one less 30-06 to a redneck? What's one less 30-06 to a redneck? What's one less 30-06 to a redneck?
Come on, Andre.
Wooby shot a gun.
Come on, Andre.
Andre, you're not gonna let me show you up today, are you? Really?
Oh, there it is. That's all he fucking needs right there. There it is.
You need him to drive the dump truck on Monday, too?
First time I've ever shot. And we're drinking Pepsi straight out of the can.
Excavator competition. Seeing who can stack the most logs. So far, Corey got 3.
I thought of everything he knows in about 65 seconds.
Daisy Dukes, bikinis on top, sun-kissed
Whoopi, how come you said, Taylor said something about uploading a video on another channel? And I feel like I got duped. Do you feel like you got duped?
I unsubscribed after the
Is there a KWC more or KWC extra?
It's called Raw, bro.
It's called what?
Raw.
Oh, KWC Raw.
Raw. Like the WWE.
If you're going back on four wheelers and you want to find mud, do not mud on the causeway. That is a road. We try not to fuck it up. Mud in the mud hole on the left, mud at the mud hole we found, whatever you want to do, but just not the causeway preferably. That's all I got.
Thanks, Dad. I mean, Brad.
Brad,
I've got some big news. The bank finally came through, and I'm holding the keys to a brand new Chevrolet. Have you been outside? It sure is a nice night. How about a little test drive down by the lake?
Down for the count.
Oh, look at the water. Oh, shit. It's a snow stream coming in.
Bye, can't bud.
Secrets are just fuck.
Day in the life of a mud bugger.
Fucking set it right here on the stick and then Mike put the wave up here if you wash away.
Wash what away?
Fucking plug that I took out under the quad.
Well, that's fucked.
Oh, right there, right there, right there, right there.
Oh my god. Oh shit. Good eye.
Just get it warmed up, you know.
What's your plan of attack on the way back?
Go back through it.
Okay.
Come on now, what do you say? Girl, I can hardly wait to get a little mud on the tires. Cause it's a good night to be out there soaking up the moonlight. Stick out a little piece of shoreline. I've got the perfect place in mind. It's in the middle of nowhere. Only one way to get there. You gotta get a little mud on the tire.
Another day playing in the mud. This is way more fun though than yesterday.
Buddy. Yeah, let me the fuck out of here. You guys left your cameraman.
Yeah, you did. Get off.
Fun times. It was a new hat. was a new hat.
Pretty good actually.
Clean my hat.
Makeshift shower. It will be just your camera needs that.
Look at that.
It just adds character to it. Should have bought a Can-Am.
Mitch, you okay?
Oh, I'm just Eddie.
What are you gonna write in the fucking co-op sheet today, man? Work that chop, slow day, front floor. Good idea.
Okay, KWC Camp Day is now concluded. We are all here. Everybody had an awesome time. As you can see, we kind of made this its own little video because it was just so much going on. Thank you to everybody who came out. If you're watching this right now from the team, awesome day. We went four-wheeling, we had meat, we listened to tunes, we're having some drinks, having a good time. That is the end of the video. I appreciate you guys for checking it out. See you guys on the next video where I went to Detroit. I'm going to Detroit. See you there. But of course, I didn't forget that you guys, the True Patriots channel that watched the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of the True Patriots, guys, want you guys comment down below in the mud. Why are you commenting down below in the mud? Well, today you saw a bunch of people just get completely stuck in the mud. So if you watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below in the mud. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care. It's hard to film when I'm drunk. I can't talk, Wooby.